I just wanted to update everybody on, I had an old 2009 Mac Pro, and I had it beefed up as much as I could. I had a RX 580 in there, and I had a whole bunch of USB external cards, which I put in the new 2019 Mac Pro, and it looks like they all worked. I'll have a link in the description to both cards that I used, both 3.0 cards here. Let's see if I can get some light. But those are 8 USB 3.0 PCI cards from my 2009 Mac Pro, which are working in my 2019 here, which is very convenient that I didn't have to go buy new cards. As you can see, the system settings are noticing the cards here, which I believe are all these. Maybe it's, I'm not sure why that's reading all these slots, but I just have the base GPU card that it came with. I have a 16 core, and then I upgraded the RAM too. I just threw in, you don't need to have all the same RAM. My computer came with 32, and I just added another 120 of that Nemix or RAM. I'm not sure how you say it, but yeah, everything's working great. PCI slots right there, the 2 new cards I just dropped in, the ×8 ones, and everything's working. So yeah, I'm excited that I didn't have to buy new ones. So if you have an old Mac Pro with some 3.0 cards in there, just drop them in there and see if it works. I'm stoked. Peace.